In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your Gamma AI presentation in PDF or PPT. If you've just created a deck in Gamma and want a clean copy to share, print, or present offline, this walkthrough will make it quick and stress-free. Start by opening your presentation in Gamma AI and give it a moment to fully load. You will want to make sure every slide, image, and chart is visible and crisp before you export. If your connection is a bit slow, wait until any placeholders finish rendering. This ensures the file you download reflects exactly what you see on screen without missing fonts or half-loaded visuals. Next, look to the top right corner of your workspace. You'll see a 3 dots icon near your profile. And you may also see a share button, either path works. Click the 3 dots, or click share if that's what you prefer. Interfaces can shift slightly over time, but these controls consistently live in the top right area. From the menu that appears, select Export. If you open the Share panel, you will find Export there as well. This is the command that tells Gamma to package your presentation into a downloadable file, keeping the layout and design intact. Now choose your format. Export to PDF or export to PowerPoint. Pick PDF if you want a locked, reliable version that looks the same for everyone and is great for emailing or printing. Choose PowerPoint if you need to continue editing in Microsoft PowerPoint or import into tools like Google Slides. Keep in mind, exporting to PowerPoint typically requires a Plus or Pro plan. If you don't see the PowerPoint option, that's usually an account or plan limitation rather than an error. After you make your selection, wait a few seconds while Gamma processes the file. Leave the tab open during this step. Larger decks or slides with heavy images may take a little longer, so don't worry if you see a brief spinner. Gamma will handle the formatting behind the scenes. When it's ready, the download will start automatically. Look for the file in your browser's download bar or your computer's default downloads folder. If nothing appears, check your browser's download permissions or pop-up settings and try again. You should now have a polished PDF or a fully editable PPT file that mirrors your original design. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.